Welcome to Festive Flavors. Today we are going to cook a very popular North Indian dish, Bhindi Do Pyaza, which has okra as the main ingredient. Lip smacking, fast and easy, it is a nutritious dry vegetable dish that can be served with dal and chapati, roti or naan and rice. Please watch the video till the end to view the health benefits of okra and ingredients list. Also, please subscribe to the channel Festive Flavors and share it with your friends and family. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up to the recipe. Be featured on Festive Flavors by taking a picture of a recipe from our channel and tagging us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. We will feature your picture and name in the upcoming videos. If you like the recipe, please give us a thumbs up and tell us in the comment section below. Let's look at the ingredients. Lady's finger, okra or bhindi 250 grams, onion half chopped into large chunks, tomato paste half cup, tomato half chopped roughly, garlic 1 teaspoon chopped fine, cumin seeds half teaspoon, coriander powder 2 teaspoons, turmeric half teaspoon, oil 3 tablespoons, red chili powder 1/4 teaspoon, salt to taste. Let's begin by chopping the lady's finger or okra as it is called in many places. Cut them into large pieces. Discard the top stems of okra. Cut half of the onion into 4 parts, then separate the layers. Keep them aside. Please subscribe to the channel Festive Flavors and hit the bell icon to receive new recipe updates as soon as one is posted on the channel. Keep the cut up okra aside. Place a pan, add a tablespoon of oil. Fry the cut up okra for 3 to 4 minutes. Frying it would dry up the okra so that it does not remain slimy when cooked later. When the okra is half cooked, take them out in a bowl. Now in the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, add cumin seeds, let them crackle. Next, add chopped garlic, let them turn golden brown by stirring occasionally. Now add the tomato paste. This is just cut up tomato ground into a paste. Cook the tomato paste till oil leaves the sides of the pan. Now add turmeric powder, coriander powder and chili powder. Mix everything and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Please like the recipe Bhindi Do Pyaza and share it with your friends and family. Also, it gives us immense pleasure to read your comments and to know that you like the recipe. The tomato paste looks cooked now and water has evaporated. Now add the fried okra, stir and mix. Add the cut up onions, stir and mix well. Add the salt and mix. Add the chopped tomato and mix. Now cover and cook for 4 to 5 minutes or until the okra are done. It's been 4 to 5 minutes and now the okra are done. Bhindi Do Pyaza is ready to be plated and served with naan or roti, rice and dal. Enjoy your bowl of deliciousness. Spicy, tangy and healthful, what's not to like about it? Let's look at the health benefits of okra. Okra or lady's finger is a good source of vitamin K and C, which helps in blood clotting and improves immunity respectively. Okra has fiber and protein which makes okra unique. Okra contains antioxidants that bind with harmful free radicals in the body. The gel-like mucilage binds with cholesterol during digestion, which results in expelling it from the body rather than getting absorbed, hence lowers cholesterol. The lectin protein in okra inhibits the growth of cancer cells, lowers blood sugar and hence prevents diabetes, contains folate, hence helps in lowering the defects of neural tube of the fetus during pregnancy. Overall, an important vegetable to add to your diet. Now let's look at the ingredients list. The ingredients list is also in the description box below. Please subscribe to our channel Festive Flavors and hit the like button if you like the recipe. Also, please share it with your friends and family. Next time we will come with a new recipe. Until then, happy cooking. Namaskar.